Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're working on a video project or creating a presentation, knowing how to adjust your image size gives you complete control over your visual composition. Let's dive right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and make sure your project is loaded. Once you're in, look down at the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the tools needed to modify your clips and images. Now here's where it gets interesting because DaVinci Resolve actually gives you two different methods to resize your image, and I'll walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever feels more comfortable for your workflow. For the first method, start by clicking on the image clip in your timeline. Once it's selected, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Inspector panel. Click on Inspector to open it up. This panel is essentially your control center for adjusting properties of any selected clip. Inside the inspector, look for the section labeled Transform. This is where all your positioning and sizing controls live. You'll notice options for Zoom X and Zoom Y. Simply adjust these values to resize your image. Zoom X controls the horizontal size, while Zoom Y handles the vertical. You can type in specific values or drag the sliders to get the exact size you need. This method is perfect when you want precise numerical control over your image dimensions. Now let's explore the second method, which is a bit more visual and hands-on. Look above your timeline at the toolbar and find the rectangle icon. This is your transform tool, and clicking it activates a different way to resize. Once you click this icon, you'll see your image clip become highlighted with circular handles appearing around it. These handles are interactive, and you can simply click and drag them to resize your image in real time. This approach is great when you want to eyeball the size and make quick adjustments without worrying about exact numbers. You can drag any corner to maintain proportions or use the side handles for more specific adjustments. And that's it. You now have two solid methods for resizing images in DaVinci Resolve, one through the inspector for precision and another using the transform tool for visual control. Choose whichever fits your editing style best. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.